Yes, Solid Rock Massive. So like I said, back at it again. This is the Heptones with Older Handle on the Older Handle rhythm on the Studio One label. Big up to man like Leroy Sibbles. Like I said, Leroy Sibbles is responsible for many bass lines in the Lovers Rock era and Rocksteady era too. Yeah, enough of the bass line coming out of some historic Studio One tune. Leroy Sibbles are the man, see? So no long talking. We're gonna jump right into some walking, as I like to say. Coming out Heptones. Handle, baby, you've got the blade. Don't try to fight me because you need first aid. Tra-la-la, tra-la-la, tra-la-la. Oh gosh, the Heptones with their 1968 release, I've Got My Handle, You've Got the Blade. Don't try to fight me because you need first aid. Baby girl, you're under my jurisdiction, so don't you forget it. When I come home in the morning, fix me some orange juice. When I come home in the evening, put yourself to use, cause I've got the handle, baby, and you've got the blade. Stick around to Solid Rock, or else somebody gonna need first aid. Hit the notification bell so you can hear when I yell. Solid Rock Entertainment. Grooves, man. Smooth grooves. Smooth grooves. Studio One vibes. Studio One vibes. I tell you, boy. Massive.